surprise you with anything, okay? All right, here we go. So we're gonna start with your pelvis here. And the good thing with you is out of everyone I'm working on here today, your pelvis is well aligned. Now that's crazy rare. Most of the time people have unaligned pelvises. So whatever you're doing for your low back is going good. So I'm gonna leave your pelvis alone. What I'm gonna start by doing is decompressing you though, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna strap your feet down to the table. Is that gonna be okay?
Yes.
Cool. All right, now we're not gonna have any popping or cracking here. All we're gonna be doing is your legs are gonna be lowered down on the table, and then I'm gonna apply pressure on your lumbar spine right here. You're gonna have a bunch of stretching and pulling in here. No cracks, no pops with this. The first time through is gonna be a little tight. As we keep going, it will loosen up though, I promise. Here we go. Do okay with that?
Yep.
Kind of feel it stretching out?
Yep.
Cool. All right, so just a couple of times through here on all your lumbar spines. And this just loosens it up so that when I come back in to adjust your low back, it'll pop a little bit better. So where are you from originally though?
Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
Oh, nice. All right, so why'd you choose Drake?
Just for, I really just enjoyed the school aspect and the family aspect of the football team.
There you go. All right, a couple more times through here. And then are you in your last year here too?
Yep, I just have one class this semester.
Nice. What are you studying?
I'm computer science and data analytics.
You know what you're doing then. Yeah, that's where the future's at, that's for sure. All right, last time through here. Okay, locking you down. Now, from here on out, we're gonna get to the fun stuff. Gonna be popping and cracking from here, okay? All right, now, you mind if I attach the microphone up here to your mid-back?
Yep,
Cool. What I'm gonna have you do is lower those arms down to the ground there for me. What we're gonna do here, since this is the first time you've ever been adjusted, is I'm gonna be adjusting at the apex of your thoracic curve here to make sure you don't turn into one of them old hunched over people. What I'm gonna do is have you take a deep breath in, you'll let that air all the way out. As you let the air out, I'm gonna apply pressure to you, kind of like that.
Okay.
You very well might have a pop and crack just with this pressure though, okay?
Yep.
All I need you to do is just stay as relaxed as possible for me. Here we go. Go ahead, deep breath in. We're gonna let it all the way out. A little bit of pressure. Nice. You okay with that?
Yep.
Yeah, that was pretty easy. All right, now the higher up in your back we go, the bigger the muscles start getting. Might have a little bit bigger pop, might have a little bit bigger push with this, all right?
Yep.
Here we go. One more time. We're letting her out, keeping it relaxed, pressure. Nice. All right. Now, one more thing you have going on is this top bone in your thoracic spine has rotated over to your right side.
Yeah.
I have to bring it back over here to your left. How I'm going to do that is I'm going to contact right there, just like that.
Yep.
Then I'm going to use your head as a lever to bring it closer to my contact. So it's going to be a quick, like that, all right? I'm going to lower your headpiece down here. No breathing instructions for this. You just stay relaxed here for me. Here we go, real quick. Nice. How'd you handle that?
Nice.
That one's the most terrifying one that we do. All right. Let's see here. That's all looking good. That's looking great. Let's flip you over on your side. So right side down, left side up, just facing this wall over here. I'm going to bring this up for you. There you go. Now we're going to have that bottom leg straight. We're going to bend this top one, so bend that knee, both hands on your hips. So just like this. There you go. I'm going to take that arm. We're going to pull it down and out. There you go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to contact here, here, here. Rotation. Might have a couple of pops in there, okay? I'm going to hook the microphone up to your shirt here. All right. Here we go. Again, just stay relaxed for me. Nice. Other side, same sort of thing. All right. Bottom leg straight, tuck, hands on the hips. We're going to pull this down and out. There you go. Straighten that bottom one. There you go.
Oh, wait,
Straighten
bottom
up.
leg.
Yep, you're good. You're a regular expert here. Got to attach this here. Same sort of thing, little rotation. Nice. Yeah, that'd be good. Okay. Let's have you go on your back here. Let's get that neck done. All right. I'm going to attach this up to your neck here, okay?
Yep.
All right. Now, again, what I always tell people is no chiropractor's ever broken anyone's neck here, okay? What I got to do is I got contact right here. We're going to tilt your head over to the right. It'll be a real quick rotation.
Okay.
These are a lot closer to your ears, so it's going to be a little bit louder. All right? I will tell you before I do anything. Here we go. We're going to tilt over to the right. Keep that muscle relaxed for me. Just a Here we go. Nice. Other side, same thing, little rotation. That's it. You did great.
Thank you.
Good.